We need to move it slowly. Make sure those straps are secure. Roger that. It's huge.
Slow now, steady pressure on the left.
Okay, clear the ramp transition.
Watch the flipper, keep it centered.
The surface pattern here seems irregular.
Confirmed. The tablet shows a 15% variance in fiber length.
We should log this for quality control.
The fiber density in this region is significantly higher than the previous sample.
Yes, the collagen organization is atypical here.
Clear on your side?
Yeah, easy down now.
Robotic scrapers move across each hide, removing residual tissue with precise downward pressure. Hydraulic rollers compress the skins flat, preparing them for chemical tanning.
Salinity is optimal, but the pH is slightly high at 8.2.
Agreed. I'll recalibrate the saturation feed. It's stabilizing now.
Harbor seal skins gradually shift into rich slate gray, ocean blue, and Arctic steel tones.
What about this area here?
Yes, that needs further treatment. I've made a note.
Tanned seal skins emerge flexible, water-resistant, and ready for preservation. Mist sprayers release fine moisture layers to prevent cracking during long drying cycles.
Cold air stabilization chambers chill the skins, locking in fiber structure.
UV-safe drying corridors protect seal skins as moisture levels are balanced.
Automated perforation systems create breathable microvents in selected cold weather garment panels. Automated sanding units smooth interior surfaces to achieve uniform thickness for clothing assembly. Micro sprayers coat each panel with a thin protective sealant mist for long-term waterproofing.
Heated conveyor plates activate bonding agents that strengthen the skin's cold weather durability.
Automated embossers press reinforced texture patterns onto stress point sections like elbows and shoulders. Mechanical rollers compress treated hides to ensure balanced grain density and flexibility.
The zipper movement is smooth.
Yes, the articulation is excellent. I'll make a note.
Right here. See the inconsistency in the density.
Yes, I see it. I'll mark it for repair.
Bring it back slowly, watch the clearance.
Okay, setting it down now.
Is the manifest ready for this shipment?